In today's video, I'll show you how to disable pingbacks and trackbacks in WordPress. While these features were created to notify other blogs when you link to them, they often become a source of spam and can clutter your comment section. Disabling them helps keep your site clean and easier to manage. To begin, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, open the Settings section and click on Discussion. This page controls how comments and notifications work on your website. On the Discussion Settings page, look for the section called Default Article Settings near the top. Here you'll see an option that allows link notifications from other blogs, including pingbacks and trackbacks. If this option is checked, your site is currently accepting these notifications. To disable them, simply uncheck that option. This ensures that any new posts you publish will no longer receive pingbacks or trackbacks from other websites. After making this change, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This step is important so the new setting is applied correctly. Once saved, your site will stop accepting pingbacks and trackbacks going forward. And that's it. You've successfully disabled pingbacks and trackbacks in WordPress, helping reduce spam and keep your comment section clean. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy WordPress tips.